Hello, YouTube.com. My name is Ojama Garretts, and these are the 3 P's of success on how to become successful on YouTube. So, a little about me is that I've been YouTubing for a year now, and I have 3 channels in the triple digits. And this is kind of like as I learn and apply things that have been succeeding for me, I want to immediately try to share with you. So, with that being said, let's hop into it. I got a little paint document here, and I'm just going to break it down real quick. Okay. So I don't want to overcomplicate things because that's one of the things I've noticed that a lot of YouTube content creators do is they complicate things. But I think you should try to like in the early stages. I overthink, I overthought everything. But and I'm gonna struggle here because I'm gonna be this is raw and unfiltered. So this is first take, whatever. But so one, um, there's 3 simple steps. Just it's simple. Just keep it simple. Start simple. Work from what's within reach, and I'm trying to reach brand new newbies like me. We're just a little bit behind. Okay, so the first one is production. Okay, and essentially what this is your ability to produce videos. Okay, production. So like, how many videos? How fast can you get ideas? And essentially, like my quick tip here for like how to get ideas for videos would be using stuff like ChatGPT just to brainstorm. But the easiest way to get videos, to get ideas for videos, is to go to your YouTube studio, go to your analytics, and then if you hit inspiration here, this is how I'm even doing this video. They'll give you what people are looking for. And what I think this is, and I haven't been able to confirm it, but it makes sense, is that these are what people are looking up relative to your niche, relative to what your viewer has already been looking up. So I'm pretty sure it's getting the data from what people are looking up who have viewed your videos and what they're looking up. And if we go to my channel that's the most successful here, which is my old school RuneScape, I have used this to get hundreds and thousands of views. Okay. So just like take my word for it. I prefer you take my word for it, but I understand skepticism, but I'm just saying like thousands. This channel is well on its way to being monetized. I'm almost to 500 subscribers, and I'm almost to the 3,000 watch hours for the first tier of monetization. And this is in 6 months. So if I just do the same thing I've been doing in the next 6 months, which I'm getting better, this channel is monetized pretty much. I will be able to maintain those 4,000 watch hours, and I just have to wait for the subs to come in. But my content is performing really strong on this channel. So I'm just saying, like from a small YouTuber's perspective, I'm not like trying to brag or nothing like that. But so this is what you do: production. How many videos can you get out a day? How many videos can you get out a week? Are you holding yourself back by thinking that you need to focus on too much quality before you post it? Who cares about that so much? You'll get the quality later. Focus on quantity. Okay. Two, the second is posting. And that's like simple. It's as simple as it sounds. Like daily uploads. Is it weekly? Is it monthly? Or daily by daily? You know what I'm saying? So like that's just simple. It's just you need to post. Post the videos. Make them. Don't let them sit in your folder like I do sometimes here. Like I got a lot of videos just chilling here, and they're not getting posted. Okay, so they need to get posted because you need to get feedback from the algorithm. It's you should change your objective to I need to post to get views to I need to post to get feedback. Like did I post a video and it got 0 views? Why? And then you can start to study it and figure it out and then actually apply feedback that you're getting. Because I can give you all these YouTubers, every single YouTuber can give you all the tips in the world, but they can't give you feedback. They can't give you personal experience. You need that personal experience to get ahead, to move forward, because everybody's experience is individual. It's different. You're going to have unique situations. I'm going to have unique situations. Other famous YouTubers are going to have unique situations that only they can answer the questions through their own unique experience. And we can all kind of try to help each other out. And there's things we can do to like bridge some of those experiences together and then like collaborate. But like at the end of the day, it's only you versus yourself. So then number 3, I wrote it down. I forgot what the third P. What did I say? Oh yeah, participation. Okay, yeah, that's why I couldn't remember. So participation. My handwriting's really good, but anyway, participation. Participation just means like looking for comments, replying to all of them with unique comments. I know there's going to be a temptation to just click this button now. So if I go to community and then I go to comments that I haven't responded to, if you go to reply, I don't know, I guess at some of my channels, it's been giving me like AI, the auto, like in your text messaging now, it's been giving me like options to just click like an autocomplete. Like, thank you so much. Like these very generic, and they're becoming less generic looking, but they're AI. But you want to resist that. But you want to participate in your comment section. You want to reply to everybody. You want to do this stuff because like a lot of those people, they come back. So if I go to my returning viewers, it's kind of 1, 4, 5, 0, 1, 4, 6, 2, 6, 10. You know what I'm saying? So I think from me commenting back and participating in my videos, and participating from whatever. It's not as I'm not trying to make it more complicated, but you just get to your comment sections, like people's comments, heart react their comments, stuff like that. Make discords. I made a Discord for my RuneScape channel. It's up to 100 people. I try to say hi to everyone. You know what I'm saying? Maybe Discord's not for you, but have a way for you to reach out to your community. Maybe it's a Facebook group, maybe it's Instagram, something like that, and talk to them. And I'm not saying like to do it for you're not. It's not going to work either if you're going to have the intention of for business. You need like as more genuine as you can be and wanting to actually participate in your community, the better it's going to be. But like I have people who have been commenting since the beginning, and I chat with them and I chat with them and I keep chatting with them, and then they chat with each other. And we just all whatever. Sometimes I'm in here just talking to myself, but I know they're here watching because like each of these people have said a little bit here and there. They're just waiting for me to say stuff like of value in this group. And they come and go, but that's fine. But I'm just saying. So those are the 3 pillars to success. That got me from 0 to 100. That's, you know what I'm saying? 0 to triple digits. Okay? So you do these 3 things, you'll get 0 to triple digits without really having to do much else. Does that make sense? Like you're going to need to produce, you're going to need to post, and you're going to need to participate. If you do those 3 things, you'll get to 100 subscribers, 100 plus subscribers easily. And maybe I'm doing a bad job and your niche is better and all this other stuff. Results are going to vary, but you will, I'm confident in saying you'll get triple digits just doing this method. And I would say it would happen probably like in 1 to 3 months. Not that bad. If you're doing this as a hobby, that's not a big deal. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. I'll see you in my next video.